Are you saying we cannot go beyond it? Show me the court's order to say as a Kenyan, I cannot go beyond here. Show me. How can you be restricted to in this country, visiting a part of this country? Where are they? Tell them to work with them. Mimi sitaenda pale, mimi nalipa kodi kulipo mfanye kazi yetu. Mimi sitaenda huko. Muite hapa. Yule pale mmoja. Wewe muite yule hotel na sasa ndio. Yes, yule pale mmoja. Yani there's our constitution says this. Where is the law? That says the law. I am with police here. Chief. Forget about the notice. We also residents there. Please, sitakwambia uniruhusu nifanye mkutano. I'm asking you, why are you stopping me from reaching where I'm going? Kama mimi ni mwizi niweke ndani. The notice was not served properly. Which notice? Mimi sitakwambia uniruhusu. We are going there to eat. We are going there to eat. From there, the operations manager said we are not. Okay. That is correct. So can we go have lunch? No, you are not allowed to go there. For lunch? Why? You can go and have your lunch in other hotels. Why?
So it is a hotel you are blocking us from going to?
You are blocking the business.
The owner of the business, the owner of the business has not completed.
Has not this.
The owner of the business has not completed.
But even the owner of the business cannot restrict with.
I'm right from that hotel right now, and I've asked him whether he has an appointment, and he has said he had cancelled your meeting.
Mr. Nyawara, cancelled.
And for your information, the guy
he cancelled it alone.
But if the meeting is one of them,
he has not informed us that
he's supposed to hold the meeting there, plus the other two.
Mr. Nyawara, what business man with the meeting of this?
the hotel management has not told us
You
anything
have
about
made a point. This is the man to hold the meeting. What crime have I committed?
I've not said you have committed.
So I'm going to the hotel.
No, please don't go. He won't allow you to go there.
Why? Nyawara, mmefika hali mnafanya Kenya mnafikisha nyuma.
Hebu tuelewe Nyawara.
Kenya bwana.
Shida Nyawara. Kwenda kwa hoteli ama ni kufanya mkutano?
Kwa hivyo
kama atufanye mkutano.
You are the delegate you are supposed to.
Yes, I am not a delegate. I am a member of parliament for Kikuyu.
This is a member of parliament for Kikuyu.
Nimekuja kutembea Diani. Unaniambia nikija kutembea Diani siwezi ingia kwa
These are people servant. These are people servant. These are people servant. Hatuna nini.
So you have no problem as long as you don't have a meeting, isn't it?
You can go and have your lunch.
Now you've got.
Not in this hotel, in another hotel.
Why? Because they with such panic. I know you are doing the wrong thing. You are doing the wrong thing.
Let me ask Nyawara, which hotel are you working for
Oh, the
yourself?
guy you are calling niongee na yeye. Mimi nani?
Nyawara nikuulize, ni hotel gani unataka tuingie Diani Reef? Which hotel are you working for? Which hotel do you work for?
Umeambiwa uniwekee, lakini hii mimi siogopi.
And they told you they don't want
Ni
guests.
kama ninafuta oxygen. Maana si hakuna guest nimefanya.
But we are hotel guests.
I know. There's one of the aspirants here.
That one is
My name is Kimani Zuka. I'm not a
the hotel has not cancelled the
The hotel has cancelled your meeting there, your conference which you are supposed to have.
He has not told us
It has been cancelled. I'm from there.
He has not told us.
By the manager or by the one
By the manager.
Wait. Yeah, then let's go there. They cancel our hotel.
Come and help us to collect our money because you have already, you have not paid. I have confirmed you did. No money has been paid there.
By who? You don't even know who we are. No, hatujui. Tuulize vitambulisho ndio ujue who you are dealing with.
I know you are
And I am very hungry. Tell him I am very hungry.
So what instructions do you have of those?
I'm knowledgeable young man. Clear enough. I can tell you.
Telling us we cannot walk around
And the constitution. We are not going to go for a meeting. We are going to check into that hotel. We were also residents there.
I mean, let me talk
in the matters of security.
You can wait and so that
We will wait.
We didn't come to meet the police to wait for you. In security matters, what matters is not instructions, it's common sense. So use your common sense. You might just very good.